I installed my front suspension into the chassis. I just wanted to show you guys my progress. I also installed my restored handlebars that I repainted because they were rusted out on the ends here. I also wanted to let you guys know that when you're reinstalling your fork suspension into the chassis, or take it out and you haven't taken it out in a while, so make sure you guys use a lubricating compound. I bought this one from Napa, and just grease up the bearings that are on the bottom and top here, as well as the shaft, so we could smoothly move back and forth. I'm going to show you guys the handles that are going to be placed on here. So this will be the throttle that I'll have, so it'll go in that far. This is something I'm just going to start off with. I might actually change this up, but it came with my kit with my motor controller and the hub motor, so I just wanted to buy this just to start this project off, just to see how it feels out. But I might end up upgrading the handles, but I have one on this side and another one on this side. They are a bit short or small, so my older handlebars were slightly longer for my grip, but so far that's what I'm going to end up using. And I'll have my brakes, my lights, my light system. I might also have a upgraded gauge in the front here. I don't know what I'm gonna install here, but for the time being, I might just use my regular speedometer that I already have.